Hey guys, today I'll teach you how you can change face in a video using AI. You can use it for free by clicking the link in the description. After clicking the link, this page will be opened and then you'll have to click on this play button and click on run anyway. Let's wait until it's downloaded. Once it's downloaded, now I'll click on download model. And after it's downloaded, now I'll go to GPU support download. Now I'll go to this folder and upload the video I want to swap face with. I'll click this video. I'll again click on upload and select the image. Make sure the picture and the video name doesn't contain any numbers or special character or space. As you can see, here are numbers, so I'll rename it. I'll rename the file and the video one too. Now I'll copy the target file, the video. I'll copy path and paste it here. Now I'll copy the path of the picture and I'll paste it here. Then I'll click on this play button and wait until my result is generated. Okay, so here are the results. I'll click on the three dots and click on download. Before showing the downloads, I'll show you the video I uploaded. This was the video. And this was the image. Now I'll show you the downloaded one. So this is the downloaded one. You can see the difference. This is how you can change face by using AI. I hope the video helped you. Remember to give this video a thumbs up if you found it useful and subscribe our channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video.